it's Mac and Jack. Welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoy. I decided to do a decorate with me Thanksgiving, and actually it's a clean and decorate with me. So I'm just going to clean a little bit and then I'm gonna decorate for Thanksgiving. I did a decorate with me Halloween video and I really enjoyed doing it. So I decided I'll just go ahead and do a Thanksgiving one as well because, you know, why not? I decorate pretty much for every holiday, and I may not have a lot of decorations, but I just usually try to limit myself to like one tub of decorations per holiday, except for Christmas. I'm gonna do a video, I think, decorate with me for Christmas, which I'm excited about too, but I don't want to skip over Thanksgiving because Thanksgiving is one of my favorite holidays. It's just a great time to be with family and eat good food and be thankful. So I really just want to take it all in, and I want to show you guys my little decorations that I have. I don't have very much. It's very hard to find Thanksgiving decorations. A few years ago, I had Thanksgiving at my house and it was so hard to find stuff. And I finally found most of it at Hobby Lobby. So a lot of these decorations are from there or from like Marshalls and TJ Maxx. Let's go ahead and get started. Here is my tub with my Thanksgiving decorations. And like I said, it's not a lot, but a little goes a long way. And I'm only gonna be decorating about 4 little places that I have that I usually decorate for every holiday. So that is all I have for you guys today. I really hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you find inspiration to maybe decorate. I really like how everything turned out. I'm still not completely 100% sure on the lights where the TV is. I don't know, it looks like kind of tacky to me, but I also like the tackiness because the corn cobs on it just look so ridiculous. So, I mean, it's like a part of me likes it, but then it doesn't really fit in with the other decorations. I hope you guys enjoy cleaning with us and decorating for Thanksgiving. Let me know what you guys think. Give this video a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and Jack and I will see you in our next video.
Yes. Honey, what's wrong? Is it too bright for you?